The government of Lesotho has been under heavy criticism for shutting down a private station that is seen to be anti-government. But the government has since defended its decision, citing the current security volatility as the sole purpose of its drastic action on MoAfrika FM radio.
Pictures of the editor-in-chief of MoAfrika FM, Kendi Ramainwani, being wrestled to the ground by plainclothes policemen began circulating in social media recently. Ramainwani had attended a case on which his station had been temporarily shut down by government for broadcasting inciting statements.
Because before the closure of the parliament, the Prime Minister, Ndate Tabani, had made an announcement in Parliament 2 times, on the 24th and on the 26th, that the police, he was giving the police the latitude to beat suspects whenever they were out of sight. Once they come back to the public, they should stop beating those people and just smile with them as if nothing has happened between them.
The government says it has no interest in censoring media, but will take action if the kingdom's security is at stake.
We pointed out to him what exactly and what specific actions he undertook that we considered to be of a threat to the security of the country. And we asked him that kindly avoid those issues, especially when what you are talking about is not the truth about what happened. It's one thing for us to defend a truthful interpretation of events, but when somebody presents something that is completely false, but is so sensational that it is going to cause distress in the general population, with the situation as it is in the country, we have to take action to put things right.
We are sure that MoAfrika has some issues that it has to look into, especially given the fact that Lesotho currently, most of the information that people do talk about emanates from the media. And so the media handling of such information has to be professional, and it has to be it has to add value in attempts to build peace in Lesotho. It has to add value in attempts to ensure stability and security in the Kingdom of Lesotho.
Amnesty International and other organizations issued strong statements that allegations on MoAfrika were spurious and nothing more than just a witch hunt, while others say MoAfrika FM needs to be more responsible in its reporting. The station was suspended for 72 hours, but is yet to appear before court for its remarks that government deems threatening to stability of the country. Rapelang Khatebe, SABC News, Maseru, Lesotho.